Hi everyone, Matt Martin here from National Grand Bank again. Another beautiful day here in Marblehead. Let's head down to Washington Street, see my friends Peter and Kathy Schulk at Marblehead Mercantile.
Hi, I'm Pete Schulk.
And I'm Kathy Schulk, and we're the owners of Marblehead Mercantile. We are a family-owned business specializing in unique clothing and gift items. We carry casual seaside apparel and gifts for men, women, and children, designed with original artwork and local motifs. Our designs showcase Marblehead's historic landmarks and iconic coastal scenes. Having National Grand Bank as our banking partner has allowed us to do what we do best, and that is to bring our seaside apparel to the Marblehead community.
T-shirts, hoodies, one-of-a-kind bucket hats. Marblehead Mercantile really does have it all. Stay tuned next month to see where I head to next.